Bam. The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video, Cardano video. We are doing a Cardano update right now because it broke certain resistance. It got out of the wedge, went above 115, and if you guys remember how important 115 is. So for you guys that have been following the channel and are on my Cardano videos, you know the 115 line that we want to break that. Now we broke that. So I want to talk about what has happened for new guys that never been here before, and then I'm gonna show you what I think is most likely to happen right now. Anyways, before we get into the charts, I just want to say that this is a subscribers only video, so if not a subscriber, click the subscribe button to be able to watch the rest of the video. Okay, let's get into the charts and see what's actually happening with Cardano. So let's go start with the 4-hourly chart so I can tell you why we said it was gonna go up from here and find support. We had hidden bullish divergence here. If I can just make my lines oh my god, sorry about that guys. Okay, so basically you can see here that the price was going down, right, and the RSI here was going up. That's a hidden bullish divergence, so we said okay, if that means the price has to go a little bit up. And then we were looking at this 200 moving average. We broke it, and I said like we have at least to test this yellow line, the 50 moving average, because the 50 moving average was the one that was working as let me turn off the other ones, working as both support and resistance. I said we are going to go up to at least 50 and hopefully break it and go above out of the wedge and out of the above the moving average, and we did that. But you can see the first 4 hourly we just came wicked on it, but the next time we broke it and went above it. So right now also we had this let me go back to the 4 hourly. This also came on the bottom of a falling wedge, right? And falling wedges usually have a higher chance, the probability to go on upside, and that also happened. Also this bottom here came down to where our very strong 0.1696 support was this yellow area. So all in all, we were pretty confident that it was going to break on the upside. I did not expect it though to break above 115, but it did. Now for the old people, my faithful subscribers and people watching my Cardano videos, you know how much I've been talking about 150 line, how important is the break and hold right over here. Right? It was very important to break above the line and hold above the line on the daily. On the daily, right? Here once we did broke it, and then next day we went just below it again. So hopefully that won't happen again, but staying above 115 it was very important. And now that we have done that, we can relax a little bit. So I think especially since I think this was the bottom, I don't think we're gonna get for the move down to 150 line. So I think 150 line is over now, and what we have now is a trading range between the top over here and the 115 line. So we have trading range between 130, around 130 and 119. 119. I don't think it's 115, I think it's actually 119 up here, because this is the previous top. It can also go all the way down here. Let's, now, you know what? No, I don't think it's gonna go that far. It can go. Nothing is certain in technical analysis, but I don't think it's gonna go that far. Let me just look at the moving averages and pop the moving. I see just to see where they are, so I can make some. The 20 moving averages all the way up here. So, but this is daily. 20 moving average up there. 10 moving averages down. Yeah, it can go. It can actually go all the way down to 111, because the 10 moving average. 15 is here. Okay, so let's use the 15 line. Let's use the 15 line, 115. So this is actually the trading range we are right now in 115, 131, and I think some kind of a sideways movement is going to happen here. Why do I think some kind of sideways movement is going to happen? Because on the MACD we still didn't get the bullish cross. Also we are probably going to wait. This hard to see. Also we are probably wait for the 10 and 50 10 moving average and the 20 moving average to cross each other over here. Maybe something like this, to start going up and they cross each other, and then price sideways movement before we actually break above the 1.31 line. But I think it's gonna wait for the cross for that to happen. That just assumption, doesn't have to be that way. An assumption, I always say, assumptions are bare for the technical analysis. So what we got right now basically is this trading range over here. We are above the 10 and 20 moving average, and we closed on the daily above the 20 moving average. So Cardano right now is very bullish, and you can see over here that when we were going down, right, look how many days it was since 1st March. It was like 2 weeks going down, like over here maybe 10 days you were going down, and then in 1-2 days you get back all the gains. So basically this is some kind of a movement to get rid of weekends, make people sell, get them bored and stuff like that. That's why all the moves up happen really fast, but sell-off part or consolidation part takes forever. So that's what we got now. Right now, congratulations for everybody holding. We are in trading range between 115 and 131. If we break above 131 and close above 131, then we can talk about new targets. But right now, I think this trading range is gonna continue for. Let's look on my 4-hourly. Yeah, the 20 and 50 is way too far down. It's gonna hit the 10 moving average, the white line over here, quite soon. But 20 and the 50 it's all the way down here. So I think it's gonna go sideways for a little while, maybe even all the way up to the line at 131. But it can have a big range. You can see the wicks on the Cardano. They are huge wicks, so this can go sideways for a while. But overall, Cardano is bullish again. It isn't dying anymore. You know, it's gonna go to the moon, and once it breaks this all-time high close at 131, it can go like to whatever the target. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Thanks for pressing the like button and writing down in the comments for the YouTube algorithm and Deutsche Bank. Anyways, see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Not that button. God damn it.